What is up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Please excuse the redness on the neck. I recently just did a bit of shaving underneath there and it's irritated, but you know what it is. Gonna be taking you around for another day in a life kind of vlog. I actually should be getting a new part for my Fiesta ST today. Finally, with all this Corona, COVID-19 stuff going on, obviously mail and shipments or orders, whatever you want to call it, has been delayed. So it's been about 3 weeks. I was supposed to get this, but finally got it. I got the email saying that it arrived, so I'm gonna check my mailbox. And yeah. What's up, dog? What's up? You want something? Eh? Want a treat? Is that anything? Alright, well, it's currently raining, guys, so we're gonna wait a little bit. It's supposed to be on and off rain all day, but here, I wanted to show you guys. I got myself a RamAir drop-in filter for the ST, so basically, as you guys can see, it's right there. But yeah, I'm gonna be prepping myself for stage one. Stage one meaning getting my cartoon stage one. So yeah, this is the first step basically. If you know the process for Fiestas and Focus, you don't need that much to get like a noticeable amount of gains. So drop-in filter with the stock airbox is actually beneficial due to popular debates and whatever. It's dyno proven that once you get it tuned with this filter, you will notice like a certain decent amount of torque. You're not going to get that much peak horsepower. I'm probably going to get maybe 5 wheel horsepower, but I'm supposed to get something like 30 wheel torque, which is pretty good for just a drop-in filter. So we're going to wait that out till the rain goes away, and in the meantime I gotta do some groceries. Alright guys, fast forward 2 days. It's a lot nicer. The day, yesterday, it was raining continuously, so here we are picking up the video 2 days later. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this. Pretty sure I didn't film that already. So yeah, unbox this, see what it comes with. I'm sure it's just a filter. If we're lucky, maybe a couple goodies as well. But yeah, let's see if I can do this one-handed. Oh, actually, I got a sticker. Pretty cool. It's from Whoosh Motorsports, so if you guys didn't know, that's where I did order this part. Whoosh Motorsports, if you're not familiar with that site or that supplier, they do pretty much everything possible for mods you can do to your Fiesta SC. They do have other Ford products there as well, like Turbo Fords. They do have the Focus SC and RS on there, and they do have the EcoBoost Mustang for parts, but their main focus focus really is Fiesta parts. So yeah, shout out to Whoosh for making great stuff. And here we go, the filter itself. It's hard doing this with one hand, but yeah, so this is what I waited 3 weeks for, basically. Here. Sorry for moving the camera so much, but yeah. So this little thing, believe it or not, this little piece is going to replace the stock airbox that I have. So it should sit something like this in my engine bay, something like that inside. We're going to get to that in a second. But yeah, it's a nice little piece of hardware. It's supposed to be significantly, can't talk, smaller in terms of size compared to the stock airbox filter, which is just basically paper. Yeah, so for stock, this is going to basically provide more airflow, more induction noises, which is always nice for turbo car lovers. You're not going to feel any gains. I don't think I will. Until I get this car tuned, this won't really be to my full benefit. Obviously, it's supposed to improve gas mileage, whatever, but we don't get these things for gas mileage anyways, guys. But yeah, this is essentially what I'm going to be using for my stock turbo setup. This is the route I'm going with, is the stock airbox with an upgraded filter. It's actually beneficial, quote me on this, it's beneficial when you get a tune stock. You're not going to notice anything except for more noises perhaps, which I'm hoping for at least until I get this car tuned. So yeah, let's just put this in and go for a drive and see how it goes. I apologize for the dirty ass engine bay, but yeah, so you're going to be just having a star head screwdriver and just undo all these. Shouldn't have to take off the sensor too, but yeah, just undo all these and should be able to pop it open. All 4 pieces are off. Should be able to just lift and take it out if I can. Hold on, let me put you guys in. Yeah, should be just able to lift it and take it out. Significantly bigger too, by the way. Wow. This is the old airbox right here. Oh my god. And this is the new one for size comparison. See that? Wow. Guys are in a good spot. Hope you guys can see me, but I'm basically ooh, it's a bike. But yeah, so with the filter you're gonna flip it this way, the mesh is gonna be facing you. You're gonna put it literally the same way that you found it. So I'm just gonna drop it in there, close her up. It. That should be it. Take the screwdriver and just literally repeat the same steps that you just did. Just push down and screw her in. Okay, the installation is basically done. I will say that back bolt over there was, that black screw was like really annoying to get to, but yeah, everything's tight, bottled in. We're gonna go for a little drive, and just before that, look how dirty this is. It's a good thing I decided to change this, because now that I got you guys in the car, we're gonna start it, let it run for about a minute, and then basically go for a quick rip down the street and back and see if we feel anything, which I doubt, but we'll hopefully hear some difference in sound. So let's do this. So let's go and take it for a little rip and see. Now, if this is your first time watching one of my videos, I do have a Boomba diverter valve or blow-off valve spacer. So that's going to be added to what you're probably going to be hearing as well. So it might be extra whooshy. I'm hoping for that kind of, because this is the character of Fiesta and Focus STs. They just have really loud, obnoxious blow-off valves and intake noises. So gotta run with the memes, boys. So yeah, let's go and find out. That's normal already. Yeah, my expectations are pretty low, to be honest. It's really for more down the road in terms of induction. So far I don't really hear that much of a difference, but I'm in first gear just rolling, so let's give it some time. said, I'm running stock turbo. If I didn't say that already, well, I'm running stock turbo. So this is really for stage 1 prep of a tune, which I will be doing in the near future, but I'm doing all the supporting mods first, of course. So it's what I expected. I mean, for what I paid for. Yeah, it's just more down low. You can hear more of the spool, I guess. That's basically it. If I didn't have the blow-off spacer, maybe I would have heard more induction noise, but since I have the spacer on it, it just that much sounds the same, if I can just say that. But yeah, sounds good though. Car is a good sounding car, but in terms of definitely hear it down low. So if you're getting this for more turbo noises, yeah, you can get this and you'll definitely get those. More towable. I can't even, oh my god. Someone just make a compilation of me not being able to talk properly. More turbo noises and spools, yes. That's basically gonna do it for me, guys. Hopefully this video was somewhat educational. You got a little pop. You guys got a little something out of it. So overall, my take is that it's definitely gonna be beneficial down the road. Right now, it's more just for my audio enjoyment. It's just more induction noises, and it's nice. But I'm looking forward to the final step of stage 1, which is getting it tuned. So you guys will see the build process. Oh my god. You guys will see the build process if you just like, comment, and subscribe. I like that little plug, eh? Well, yeah, guys, if it's your first time, please subscribe. We're closing in on 1,000 subscribers, so thank you everybody that's been patient with this channel during this crazy time we're living in with everything going on. Trying as hard as I can to get content and waiting for parts to arrive, because obviously with the whole COVID-19 stuff going on, parts are gonna definitely be delayed, and that's understandable. But yeah, guys, thanks for rocking with me, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys hopefully in the next video, and yeah, be safe, take care, guys, peace.